My name is Ryan Taylor, and these are my audience folk. Okay, let's begin. Fish, genetically modified. Today, we have over many varieties of fish that the scientists have given us and many, many times. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, we encounter every day. The first GMO began in 1994 with a flavored steer tomato that they produced. Today we house over 180.5 billion different types of GMOs, and no one really knows about them. Today I'm going to discuss what GMO is, what the public's view is, and what a solution can be to fix all the problems that they coexist. Salmon, like it is a fish that salmon that we have today shows that we have a high tolerance for the biotechnology that we house. The first point that we have is the public's view on this. Many people, the public themselves, don't know about GMOs. We see very little labeling or signs to which show what GMOs are. A lot of people have a lot of problems with the discrimination of GMOs, that they cause a lot of problems. They are so little unrare that people don't know about them. There's a lot of talk of there's a lot of talk of why they were created, but we jump back to 1994 where the first tomato was developed, and they showed that the only thing that's different between the regular tomato and this GMO tomato is that it's only modified to grow faster, stronger. Like salmon, GMO salmon, or genetically modified salmon, it's only grown to be faster, stronger, takes less time to get to adulthood, and they create it to where it's easier to get in hard places in the U.S. and other countries. There's also another variety of fish, like the salmon, that have the same modifications that the salmon does today. Now we know that the public's view, I can tell you that the people, the public themselves, will want to know if it's safe to consume. GMO food is safe to consume. It's like any other food you will eat. The only thing that they'll tell you that is it's only grown to meet some other environmental specifications. GMO food is made to where it's easier and more abundant and accessible to people like in third world countries. A lot of third world countries depend on GMO food because where they live, the environment year-round. So GMO food is quite safe to eat. There's a lot of talk that GMO food is very unsafe to eat. a lot of people say that it causes a lot of problems in young people, like early birth stages in that time. But according to Geiger, there's not many uh, statistics that say at that time. Now, to my third point, the solution. I think that to solve this problem that we have with GMO food, like salmon, is to create labeling that's more pronounced on packages, advertising. I think that they should teach it better in the classrooms, younger, as in elementary, high school, even in college. Explain what GMO is. Now, to the public, I think that they should do more research and let people know that GMO food, like salmon itself, is okay to consume, that it's not going to create another limb on your body or make you have cancer. I think that people misunderstand GMO food and what they're all about, and they assume, and so that's what causes problems, and that's why people say that GMO food isn't safe to eat, it's not good for people, they cause a lot of problems, and it raises a lot of attention, and I think they're very, very wrong about that. I think the solution is to make better advertising, do more research to allow people to know what GMO really is, what it's all about. And I think that's what misleads the public so much today. So in my conclusion, we know that the public's view of GMO salmon or food is that they don't know it, they don't understand it, they think it's bad for us. The second thing is if it's safe to consume. We consume a lot of GMO foods every day, and we really don't pay attention to it. And the people who do pay attention to it make it bigger. They put it out, the information, more than it really should be. People don't realize that we eat those kind of foods all the time. And then my solution would be just to do your research and know more about what GMO food or anything like that is. Anyway, that's my topic of GMO salmon. My name is Ryan Taylor. I'm signing off.